Hi guys, it's Kat. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say I am so super duper sorry. I know I've not uploaded in like 3 weeks, I want to say, but I've just had a lot going on with my family, which I don't want to talk about right now. It's just a little personal, but maybe one day I will. And I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who has left comments saying when's your next video. So I posted this ab workout on my Instagram last night, and then this morning I got a comment from Ariel Trimble, and she said, "Love you girl, when are you posting on YouTube?" And I swear that got me so motivated to hop out of bed, film this intro, and get this video up for you guys, because this video has been edited. I just haven't filmed the intro. And so thank you, Ariel. I love you too, and I really appreciate that. It just makes, I can't really put into words. Clearly, I can't put words together right now to explain how I'm feeling, but it's awesome, and I love you guys so much. Comment down below if you also get these little baby hairs that you just don't know what to do with, and it's frustrating. Embrace them, that's what you do though. Anyways, to get on to today's video, if you guys remember a few weeks back, I did the cleaning and organization challenge, and one of the challenges was cleaning out your junk drawer. I did film myself cleaning out my junk drawer, so it's a whole clean with me video, which is what y'all can watch today. I'm so excited for you to see this. It's probably one of my favorite drawer organizing videos I've done. If you are new here and you've never watched my videos before, or maybe you have, but you just haven't clicked subscribe yet, you should click that subscribe button, and of course turn on notifications to press that little bell so you always know when I upload. Ricky just opened my door all by himself and walked in. Hi, boy. Oh, Sal came too. Hi, Sal. Hi, Sal. Also, do you see, that's my FabFitFun box. I will be unboxing that little bit and filming it. I'm gonna let you guys watch the video now. So I thought I would first just give you a little overview of what the drawer currently looks like. Kind of messy, right? So I'm just going to catmaytv.com. This is my website, and then you just go to challenges, cleaning and organization. This gives you like a little update about it, and then this is a little intro video you can watch. And if you click download the PDF, here is all of the needed information. This is like an overview of the week, and then you scroll down and it gives you more detailed lists for each. So this is what we need right now, the junk drawer. This is the little checklist. So the first thing on the checklist is to take everything out and separate it into 4 piles. And I think this is one of my favorite parts about this challenge, and kind of the setup that I want to do for future challenges, is that there is a specific checklist and like step-by-step things that you can do to achieve that challenge, or to like do it. The first thing on the list is to take everything out of the junk drawer, and I'm going to separate it into 4 piles. The keep pile, it does not belong in drawer pile, giveaway / donate pile, probably just give stuff to my sisters if I don't want to keep it, and then the throwaway / trash pile, which I have my trash can, so I'll just bring that over so I can just put it right in the trash. Got the trash can, stay hydrated. So first, this important thought, Kat, I'm not going to put the baskets in the pile, I'm just going to take the products, because I'm gonna have to go through all my products. And then I'll put the containers just like over in front of me so that I can wash those later. This is my fake bake tanner. Y'all know I've talked about this a million times. Love this stuff. Obviously gonna keep that. The bottom drawer is clear. I don't have tissues, and so I have a roll of toilet paper in here, but I can probably find myself a box of tissues and use that instead. So we're gonna say that this can go back to the bathroom. This thing though, I don't know. I never use it. Although if I get rid of it, that's when I'm gonna need it, right? It's not bad to have. Hair curler. I don't know it's real, but I really wanna feel you now. Get a little too close, can't. Okay, it is all cleaned out. Yay! I'm gonna have a sip of my water to celebrate. These are things that I'll be giving to my sisters, see if they want any of it. This is stuff that's mine, however, it does not belong in my drawers. This is the pile of stuff that needs to go back into my drawer. So the next step is to deal with piles 2, 3, and 4, which is basically just everything that's not gonna go back in the junk drawer. That way we can focus on that afterwards. Pile 4, which is trash, already in my trash. Piles 2 and 3, so the giveaway pile and the does not belong in drawer pile, I will take care of next. Here, do you want these things?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Okay.
You're welcome. Number 1 thing, just don't put it back in your drawer. Put it in a bag or a box, and then put it by your door or put it in your car so that you know to take it next time you leave, so that you can give it to whoever you're giving it to. Ow. And then these things can all pretty much have to just leave my room. So I'm gonna take these and I'll be back. So now that all of those things are taken care of, all we have left to do is put everything back in strategically, of course, so it doesn't get messy, which of course it will, but then you just have to redo this process every once in a while to keep it staying clean. But the next step on the checklist is to actually clean out the containers that you're going to be using and clean out the actual drawer. So for that, I'm gonna use something that I will be putting back in my drawer, which you all know I've talked about it a million times. It's just my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray. If I don't even care, is that really such a crime? Well, it's a good thing that I did that because I didn't see that I have these little lights. It is messy down here. I should have done this a while ago. It's important because especially like the back of your drawers, you don't think to clean or you like forget about it, but they get dirty. Here, these are just a couple pads and tampons. Now that I think about it, these don't go in here. So this is all that will be going back. So pretty much this is just a couple little random tools. These are some face product. Here, obviously our nail polishes. And then here, just some more lotions, hand lotions, body lotions, face mask, that sort of thing. And then this container right here just has like random products. So now we will just move all of this into our newly cleaned drawers. Doesn't everything look so much more organized? I love it. You can see up here, this basket with my curlers. Up here are just the little mini containers and then that little thing back there. And then at the bottom, it's literally just this drawer right here. And then the bag that I use if I'm gonna be going somewhere to put my makeup in. And it is all clean and organized. So happy. That took me like an hour, I'd say. Let me know in the comments if you want more of these clean blank with me videos. Don't forget, if you did not do the challenge and you want to take part in it, I'll have all the links in the description box. It's just catmaytv.com. It's the only link. If you go there, it'll have all of the information about the challenge. So I hope that you like this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Of course, subscribe if you're not already. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And I don't drink my water now.